Yo,
Hello,
hello, good evening.
good evening.
Yes, I'm sorry I was late. I was in class also.
Oh, yes.
What are okay. How was your day?
I'm happy.
Very good. Okay, so you are happy.
Oh, I'm
What
happy.
makes you happy?
I'm happy. I don't say happy.
What is the reason why are you happy right now?
Happy. I'm
Oh,
happy.
oh no, what happened?
My mom
That
is
is
when my mom is clean my house and is go to my table and is break now.
oh no. So it got in an accident. Okay, that is just an accident. So that is a sad accident, okay?
Okay.
Because uh maybe that is just a bonus. Okay, maybe you will receive a good tablet next year. So that that is good, right? We don't
Oh,
know.
okay.
Maybe, right?
Yes.
So you don't get angry with your mom, okay? That is
Okay.
normal.
Okay.
Did you cry?
What?
Did you cry when
No.
it got broken? Okay, very good. Because you still have a phone, right?
Yes.
So
Yes. I got a phone.
it's not a problem. It's not a problem that your tablet is broken because you still have a lot of things that you can use.
Oh.
Okay, so um, what did you do this morning?
I go to my mom doing in that my mom doing in that
What?
place my mom doing cái chỗ làm việc nói như nào nhỉ?
Your mom?
My mom hobbies office sorry
Oh,
official yes
okay. So
yes office.
you went, okay, you can say I went to my mom's office. Okay, can you say that?
I went
I went.
to my mom office.
Okay, very good. So uh did you work also?
No, I go to see. I go to play
Okay.
that.
So did you stay
What say ahead?
behave?
What?
You did not do something, you did not do something naughty.
Yes, I don't do something.
Okay, so you just stayed behave, okay? Or a good kid like that, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. And what else did you do after going to your mom's office? What else did you do?
I'm go to the market and buy some food.
Okay. So you went to the market
Yes,
and buy some food.
yes.
Wow. What kind of food did you eat?
Rice.
Rice, of course.
Uh, rice bowl. Did you know the rice bowl?
Yes, yes. I like that. I
Yes,
like that also.
yes. I love
Uh that's what you eat for dinner?
uh, rice and I eat the tteokbokki and I eat uh, to, uh,
Chiều nay con ăn gà Victoria và cứ đấy con mà ăn cơm nắm mà bảo ăn cơm nắm là buổi sáng rồi chứ.
chứ bà sớm á. Yes, I eat tteokbokki and rice.
Okay, so is it still spicy?
No, I thought it's not spicy. Now.
Very good, very good. Okay, so how about we continue our lesson last night? Okay, this is where we will continue and we will continue to the test 3 reading and writing. Okay, so for example,
Teacher,
or the instruction is, yes,
did
what?
you did you know how to change the background?
No, it is not a
How?
background, it is
What?
a presentation. It's already made. It's already made.
Vâng, thầy con bạn.
I did not change it. I just opened it. It's already created. Okay, how about this one? Let's try to answer this one.
Your Wi-Fi.
You just need to look and write. Okay? So choose the correct words. For example, this person works in the countryside and often sells food to market. So what is that person? So that person is a farmer. So you will just write your answer on the blanks and the answers are here on the side. You can just choose it there.
What? What
Okay?
part? What part? I see your face only. I don't see anything.
What?
Yes.
You
I see
cannot
your
say
face.
anything?
Yes, I see your face only.
Again, this one.
Oh,
How about now?
okay now.
Okay, I'm sharing it, and then you cannot see it. Hey, you can start reading carefully and then answering. Okay. Um, what
Okay.
time did you arrive in your house this evening?
What? Say again.
What time did you arrive in your house this evening from
Uh,
the office?
what? Say again. I cannot listen you.
What what time did you arrive at your house from the office?
2 hours. 2 p.m.
2 p.m. Okay. So that's still early, right?
Yes. Did you go to work in anything anywhere? Sorry, anywhere.
Uh, me?
Yes.
Yes. I do classes.
Oh yes. But did you uh uh did you go to play in somewhere?
No, I don't have time.
No, I think you got time.
I'm so busy.
Oh. Oh, I think you got break time.
Yes. I have a break time to eat. I need to eat.
Oh yes. Chopstick. What did you eat?
Uh, I eat
Chick.
pork and rice.
What? What? Say again.
Pork and rice.
Horse. Horse and
Pork, pork,
hot. What hot?
pork. That's pork.
Oh, okay. Did you
Pork
eat
and
chicken?
rice.
Did you eat chicken?
Chick. Yes, I like chicken a lot.
Yes. You say me a lot. You eat chicken a lot.
Yes. In the lunch, I eat chicken in lunch.
Okay, I know.
How about you? What did you eat for lunch?
I eat Lotteria.
What's that?
The Lotteria is a restaurant.
Oh, wow. That is so good. What did you eat there?
Chicken, and rice and egg and salad.
Rice, egg, and salad.
Chicken and chicken.
Oh, and chicken. Wow, you eat a lot.
Oh yes, my mom said I eat ice cream and
Oh,
ice cream.
and ice cream. So, is the weather not cold there?
What?
Is the weather hot? Not cold?
Yes, the weather is not cold.
Okay, so that is why you eat ice cream.
Yeah,
What is the flavor of the ice cream?
chocolate.
Chocolate. Okay. How what other favorite flavors do you have or
Vanilla.
do you like?
I like.
Vanilla.
Yes, I like vanilla.
Okay. But which one do you really like? Vanilla or chocolate?
Vanilla.
Why? Why do you choose vanilla?
Vanilla is so yummy.
Okay. How about what other flavor, yeah, of ice cream do you like?
Uh, vanilla.
Only
Vanilla.
vanilla.
Yes, vanilla.
Okay. So you're done answering.
Yes.
Let's check it. Number one, you can use this to eat a bowl of rice. That is chopstick. Yes. If you have a problem with your car, this person will help you. Wow, you have improved a lot these days. You use this for washing when you are dirty. A soap. These have 6 legs and some of them can fly. Now, those are insects. Okay? Octopus has 8 legs. So that is why it's called octo. Okay? It's
Yes,
8.
yes. Okay.
Yes. Number 5, this often white with a long neck and can swim and fly. Okay, the last one is a swan. Wow. So you got 4 out of 5 here. Wow, you have improved a lot these days, Kaimin. Let's
Yes.
continue. 6 to 10. Okay, if you can perfect this one, let's check it. Let's try. Okay, continue answering.
Okay. 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 When you what between dum 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 dum
Hmm.
Let me see an actor. Camel, what a tower.
Okay. Where else did you go when you went to your mom's office?
What?
What other place did you visit after visiting your mom's office?
I go to my friend's house. My old friend house.
Oh, so you went to your old friend's house. What
Yes.
did you do there?
Um. Aku mau sana ni dah. I go to I say her to go to Lotteria.
Oh, so that is why you went with them
Yes.
and eat in a restaurant,
Yes.
right? Okay. So that is why.
Yes. That is
Let's check
all.
your answers.
Yes.
Okay. Let's start with number 6. When you are hungry, you can eat between these meals. Okay, what is that meal? That is called a snack. Very good. Wow, you are so good already. Last time you don't know what you will answer.
Yes.
Wow. Number 7, this made from the milk of cows, sheep, and goats. That is a butter. This lived a long time ago and is now extinct. Okay, this one. Or what animal lived long time ago? Why did you answer a towel? That's not an animal?
What?
What? This lived a long time ago and is now extinct. It lived. A towel is not alive. Why
Oh,
did you answer a towel?
dinosaur.
Okay, so that is a dinosaur. Why did you answer towel?
I don't know.
Okay. Number 9, you can use this when your hair is untidy. Okay, it is a comb. And this has 8 legs and lives in the sea. Of course, the answer is it's an octopus. Okay, that is why it is called octopus because of the 8 legs or what we call octo. Okay, that
Yes.
is the answer. Okay, let's continue. Wow, you are so good on answering. You
Yeah.
got 8. You got 8 out of 8, right? Because you got one mistake on the last one. Okay. How about this? You just need to look and read and write yes or no. This is more easy than the last task. Okay. So you can start answering now. Okay, can you answer this one, Kaimin?
Okay, I answer.
How did you become so good?
Because use that. Now I farming.
Your aura farming always?
Yes.
You became so good in school. Okay?
I don't
Since
know.
last time. Since the
Yeah.
last time.
A photographer is.
Fix my camera.
What did you? Or you off your camera?
Yes, I'm fixing it.
Ồ, nó được, tắt được. Con đấy nó bị thoát ra, sao tắt? Nó thoát ra mất hết tất cả chức năng mà. Quên à? Cô con gì? Không, con gì? Có con gì đấy? Tôi vừa đi qua nhưng mà con thổi gì?
Okay, very good. You are so good at answering now.
Okay.
Okay, so very good. Let's try to check it.
Yes.
Number one. Okay. It says here, a photographer is taking pictures in the street. Okay, so your answer is yes.
Yes.
And
Of course.
we can see it here that there's a photographer on the side and on the street. So that is yes. Okay, the answer is yes.
Yeah.
Um, how about this one? The boy sitting on a man's shoulder is wearing a sweater with stripes. No. Okay. So it's a no. This one. There's a rainbow in the sky. No, it's raining.
Is
The blue flag is bigger than the
oh,
other flags. Yes.
oh,
And
yeah.
the
See,
wow.
see my class.
Okay. Okay, you are so good. That is why you are out of farming now.
Yeah, see my class.
Wow. Perfect answers. Okay, last time you cannot even perfect, but now you perfect it all. Okay. And no, no,
No,
no,
I passed someone. I passed. Yes, I passed. Six.
6, 7.
What?
Okay, let's try to move here. Okay, you have done very well. So this one, this is the next task.
Teacher,
Okay?
absolutely
Yes?
cinema.
Yes.
Oh,
Uh,
oh, oh, no,
Richard
no,
is
no,
talking
no.
to Sarah
That is
about
a diamond.
going out.
That is
What
a
does
diamond.
Sarah,
What?
what?
The the red eyes. No,
What?
the red eye man.
He's, he looks like he looks like a vampire,
So
right?
speed. Did you know the eye so speed?
What?
I
The
so
eye show speed?
speedo. He is wearing a glass and it look like that. And he is Itoshi and no Sasuke. What is green? In Naruto, what is the red eyes? The man got a red eye. I don't watch. I don't know what is the red. And his know that and his uh use that and his cosplay to that character and his uh water in the nose is
Hmm. Yes. Okay, so it's the red eyes. Okay, can you answer this one? That is the red eyes and Richard talking. Okay,
that is a
answer this one.
demon.
What?
That is a demon.
The demon?
Yes.
I guess that's just what is this? Hmm,
Why did you
I think
wearing
what?
a glass look like me? A aura forming glass.
Okay, I'll check it later because I have been I am doing something. 10, 15.
What is hơi đi. Thấy mà. What is car?
What?
What is
What's car?
what? Huh? Oh, we are the Man United. 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 Did you know that song?
No, I just heard it from you. What is that song?
The uh uh in the game and brother high restaurant for it got the MU and is working to buy the fur and it's like Robbie Rodney Man United, Robbie Rodney Man United, Robbie Rodney
So
Man.
that's Manchester United.
Yes, he's the fan of Manchester United, and he's go. The fan United is by your fur. The fur. Did you know the fur? Fur food
Okay,
in
so that
Vietnam.
is why.
A fur. Yes. Here. Did you know that?
Oh,
Food. Fur.
that's the soup.
No, that is look like a noodles. Fur.
Oh, like yes, yes, noodles. Okay, let's check your answer.
Di Man City.
Is pho delicious?
Robbie Arsenal.
Is the pho delicious?
What?
Pho delicious? Is the
Yeah,
pho delicious?
delicious in Vietnam.
Hmm.
Did you go to Vietnam? Did you go to Vietnam? Eat that.
Hmm. Okay. You need to treat me
Yes.
because you have a lot of money.
Yes.
Okay, let's try to check. Okay, Richard said, "What are you going to do tonight?" Okay, the answer is, "I'm going to see a film in the cinema." Okay, that is the correct answer. What is what is it called? Your answer is F. Why did you answer F? It's Dark Mountain. My favorite actor is in it. Okay, that is letter E. What is it about? That is about very good. It's about a man who get lost in a storm. Okay, what if you will get lost in a storm? Are you going to be scared if you got lost in a storm? Are you going to be scared or not? Hello? It
Hello.
sounds exciting. Can I come too? Of course you can. That will be fun. And last one, great. Where can we meet? It's letter D. How about outside the cinema? What's that? That's a gift?
Yes, that is my bed.
Oh, that is where you sleep.
Yes.
So you don't sleep with your mom.
Yes.
Okay, so
Sometimes I
you are
sleep in my with my mom.
okay, very good. So you got 3 out of 5
Sometimes I
here.
sleep with my mom.
Why sometimes only? Why is it sometimes? Okay, can you please answer this one also, number one? Why you only sleep with your mom sometimes? Not always. Okay, what happened?
I don't know.
Why did you quit? Okay, can you answer this one?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a lot of work. It's a lot. Teacher, did you got the bed? Did you got the bed? Did you got the bed?
A bed?
Yes. Did you got your bed?
Yes.
Is your or is your sister?
Mine.
Yes. Here is my. Yes. And here is my house.
Oh, is that you? The
No.
kid?
Yes. It's me. Here.
No, show it. Show
You
it.
you can see my house here. Oh wow. It looks so good. Right?
Yes.
Không cho thầy không? Here is my mom. Here. Here is my mom. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Here's my mom. Here. Hello.
Yes. Hello. Okay,
Yes.
answer it now.
Thầy.
Okay, answer this one so that your mom will be happy seeing that you are doing all the tasks here in the class.
Yes.
Okay. This one is snake, so let's try to check it. Wow, very good. That is so good. That is so good. Okay. How about this one? How did you become so smart these days? Right? You became so
Yes.
smart.
Yes.
You are so good. You are so good now.
Oh. Buffalo.
Okay. We still have 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. So what happened?
I don't know. My Wi-Fi. I think my Wi-Fi.
Okay. Let's do this. 3 minutes left.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Oh. Yes, I'm finished.
Very good. Let's try to check this. Okay. Looks dangerous. He thought, but the fish didn't see him. It swam slowly away. David felt braver and decided to follow it. And it thought, oh no, you put it on that. Okay, you got one correct because the number 2 and 3 is you switch it. Look. Okay, you
Yeah.
switch your answer. Thought and follow. Okay, but that is still so good, Kaimin. So I guess because we don't have enough time, do you have any questions before we end our
Yeah.
class for now?
Yes. Did you
What is your question?
did did you teach a lot of Vietnam? Did you teach a lot of not a Vietnam person, not a Vietnam person, not a Vietnam student?
Uh, right now, all of them are Vietnamese. And
Oh,
yes. So I guess because we don't have enough time, we will just see again tomorrow morning. Okay? I'll see you again tomorrow morning. So
okay.
you can now have a good night, and I guess you need to follow everything that your mom will ask you, okay? So
Okay.
that you will get a new tablet.
Okay.
Okay, so see you again tomorrow morning, Kaimin. And bye-bye. Good night.
Goodbye. Goodbye, teacher.
Yes, you too. See you tomorrow morning.
Goodbye.